I wanna buy mama a house away from the church, then buy pops a car so he can drive mama to church.
Hayi, sekonakele.
Imagine one day ngifonela umama ngithi sengiphumelele, mhlawumbe ngavela khala cabangele insuku zama night shift ngiphumelele. Ngifonela ibrazo ngithi asezokushare umbhede ntwana endlini umalambane uvukile. Sorry for all the time ngikuvusile and sorry for ukushiya umnyango uvuliwe. She said you're not famous enough cause when we're riding in the street the people don't call out your name. She's just mad cause the car is in my father's name. Cause I got the money to start the business for my big brother, but register the business under my other brother's kid. Wonke badlala ibhola so they understand it tiki-taka. Umfana futhi saw the pictures and said keep it up. So I gave him the KZN business and told him keep it up. Yeah, I've seen enough, but at one point I gotta move on. One of my lectures told me that I'll go far, and just the other week I was in Cape Town, but still ngisacabanga lo thisho wathi kimi ngeke ngiyendawo. Cause if we focus on the bad stuff, we forget to have a good time. Couple more provinces to go, my geography teacher will be proud of me, bro. Cause askele ngangishawo teacher we physics manje sengishawo moya. Yonke into engiyenzayo mina ngiyenzela usibonelo, but noma ngaphumelela noma ngiphumeleli still ngisibonelo. Cause if angiphumeleli bazothekani lento yomculo angeke niyese ndawo buke mbeke pho sibonelo. But if I make it bazothi noma usuke emakhaya nawe ungaphumelela mina bheka usibonelo.
Oh, yeah. Unkulunkulu ayivula unkulunkulu akalengo ngaphezulu